is Socialist Party. I did it yesterday, a day before yesterday. That is on maybe possible on Thursday, right? I want to recapitulate the part, and the thing is Socialist Party. The origins of the Socialist Party, which I had told you about, I'm just recapitulated what I have done, whatever I have done with you on Thursday, so that it should not be washed up from your mind. The origins of Socialist Party can be traced back to the mass movement stage of Indian National Congress in the pre-independence era, and the Congress Socialist Party, it was CSP. It is page number 34. The Congress Socialist Party, that is, was in pre-independence era. The Congress Socialist Party was formed with the Congress in 1934 by a group of young leaders who wanted a more radical and egalitarian. I told you what do you mean by egalitarian? The society which is equal for everyone. So I gave you this aspect. The Socialist Party wants that the community should be equal one to another one, and whatever its resources should be equally distributed among all the people, which I told you. Now come to the next part. The socialists believed in the ideology of democratic socialism, which I told you earlier also, which distinguished them from the Congress as well as from the Communist Party. Socialist Party is separate, but it is a mixture of socialist, communist, and Congress. It's a mixture of Congress and communist. And but they are the separate party. They criticize the Congress. उन्होंने कांग्रेस को क्रिटिसाइज किया फॉर व्हाट दे फेवर्ड द कैपिटलिस्ट कांग्रेस इज itself is the from basically capitalist but and they favored the capitalist one and the landlords and they ignore the they favor the landlords and they ignore the poor people and common people and for ignoring the workers and peasants also worker जो काम करने वाले लोग थे और peasants मतलब किसान को उन्होंने दरकिनार किया और उनको इग्नोर किया right but the socialists face a dilemma मतलब what to do now one should not be in dilemma that what to do now you should be very crystal clear that what is your next step should be right so but the socialists face a dilemma when in 1955 the Congress declared its goal to the social patron of society. Thus, it becomes difficult for the socialists to present themselves as an effective alternative to the Congress. But it was a difficult time for the Socialist Party, but because a Socialist Party was thinking that Socialist Party will be the alternative of Congress. So the people should switch on to the Socialist Party rather Congress. Some of them led by Ram Manohar Lohia. It's a very famous name, Ram Manohar Lohia, right? Ram Manohar Lohia, R.L. Lohia, uh, increase their distance from criticism of the Congress party. Some others, like Ashok Mehta, advocated a limited cooperation with Congress. The people, some of them from the Socialist Party, they don't want to openly criticize the Congress. They don't want to openly criticize the Congress, but some of them they avoid to criticize the Congress absolutely. Right. So the Socialist Party went through many splits and reunions, leading to the formation of many socialist parties. These include the Kisan Mazdoor Party, which I'm now telling you. Socialist Party has they were coming up. So these parties was what parties were coming up. Lots of people they have argument with the Socialist Party, and this party they had many splits. Splits का मतलब टूटना. इस पार्टी के कई टुकड़े हुए, फिर कई reunions हुई, मतलब दोबारा ये जुड़े, and many socialist parties are formed within the Socialist Party. These including Kisan Mazdoor Praja Party, Kisan Mazdoor Praja Party. If you go deeply in this, I'm sorry, if you go deeply in this way, that you will find the Kisan Mazdoor Party. These all people are basically from the Mazdoor Sabha, Mazdoor and all, Kisan and all. Those people who are the workers, daily wages, and right to the land, जो जहां वो जमीन से जुड़े हुए हैं. द प्रजा सोशलिस्ट पार्टी एक और पार्टी बनी, प्रजा फर्स्ट तो बनी किसान मजदूर प्रजा पार्टी. Then after the Praja Socialist Party, then Samyukta Socialist Party, then Jayaprakash Narayan Achyuta Patwardhan Party, then Ashok Mehta, Acharya Narendra Dev, Ram Manohar Lohia, and S.M. Joshi were among the leaders of the Socialist Party. Who were the leaders? This could be a question for the 1 mark also. Who were the leaders? The leaders were Jayaprakash Narayanan, Achyuta Patwardhan, Ashok Mehta, Acharya Narendra Dev, Ram Manohar Lohia, and S.M. Joshi. Sorry, were among the leaders of the socialist parties. Many parties in contemporary India, like the Samajwadi Party, the Rashtriya Janata Party, Janata Dal United, and Janata Dal, trace their origins to the Socialist Party. Lot of other parties came up from the Socialist Party even, right? And Janata Dal, Rashtriya Janata Dal, then other parties were also the part of the Socialist Party. So Socialist Party was the part of basically Communist Party and the Congress Party, right? The next party. I have completed Socialist Party, and I want to Acharya Narendra Dev. He was a freedom fighter and founding president of the Congress Socialist Party. Please underline कर लीजिए इस sentence को. Freedom fighter and founding president of the Congress Socialist Party. Jailed several times during the freedom movement, active in peasants movement, a scholar of Buddhism. After independence, led the Socialist Party and later the Praja Socialist Party. Right. So it could come into the your final examination about Acharya Narendra Dev. My next part is here Acharya Narendra Dev, and my next part I goes off here. Nature of Congress dominance. This is the main part of the chapter. And what is the name of the chapter? Era of one party dominance. Era of one party dominance. Okay. India is not the only country to have experienced the dominance of one party. India is not the only country to have experienced the dominance of one party. If we look at we find many examples of each just for now. India is not all one Hello. Hello. Questions. I will ask you some questions, right? About the Socialist Party. Then, uh, India is not the only party which I told you. India is the not only country where the one party system dominated. There are many parties. There are the many parties in the world where the in the Spain also, in the Mexico also, in Bangladesh also, in Pakistan also, in Myanmar also. Many countries are there where the one party dominance was there. But there is a difference between our country and their country, right? So So India is, I'm continuing. India is not only country to have experienced the dominance of one party. If we look around the world, we find many other examples of one party dominance. We find many other examples of one party dominance. मतलब दूसरे countries भी हैं जहाँ पर one party dominance दिखा गया है. But there is a crucial difference between these countries and Indian experiences. You know, India is a free to express. And lots of people are there where they were not satisfied with the Congress and they were openly against the Congress. In the rest of the cases, the dominance of one party was ensured by compromising democracy. You know, we never compromise with democracy. We never compromise with democracy. Yes, once upon a time, when in 1975-76, you know, this there was emergency uh, planned by Mrs. Indira Gandhi, and that was entrusted also. And emergency, internal emergency was there. But except this, you know, you have to face a lot of problems during that time. But after that, you know, India is facing no difficulties to express yourself. Our democracy setup is topmost. In some of the countries like China, I told you China, Cuba, and Syria, the constitution permits only a single party rule in the country. You can go to China, only communist party is there, right? Mao Communist Party, right? Some Myanmar is there. I told you just now, Myanmar, one party system, only dictatorship is going to be there. Belarus, Egypt, Eritrea are effectively one party. They are only one party, right? And due to legal military measures until a few years ago, Mexico, South Korea, and Taiwan were also effectively one-party dominant. In Taiwan also, in Taiwan, you know, military, not military, I must say the Communist Party of China, that was they want to rule and they have still their influence over Taiwan also. What distinguishes the dominance of Congress party in India from other cases that happen under the democratic condition? Many parties contest election in condition of free and fair election, yet the Congress managed to win election after the election. No, uh, we have this is one of the best underlined parts of our democratic system that we have universal elect franchise, and no party can deny, you know, no party can deny general election. If you think that any party is very good, they have to face the election. If you think that any party is not accepted, that they have also they have to face the election. So election is must. So Congress managed to win, but Congress was having a plus point to the Congress that all the time, you know, during the era of Mrs. Indira Gandhi, Congress was used to win. I don't know that it is how, but they were able to win the election, general election, and Congress always dominated. Let me tell you that the possibility is there that they have a very charismatic leader, right? Leader like Mrs. Indira Gandhi. leader like his father Jawaharlal Nehru. Maybe some have a lot of criticism for Jawaharlal Nehru, yes or no, but that is a separate issue. But people say that he was one of the best leaders, right? Lal Bahadur Shastri, right? So they were all from the Congress. This was similar to the dominance like African National Congress, which has enjoyed South Africa after the end of apartheid. Okay, for another example is there. Another example that this apartheid in South Africa, right? And that's in South Africa, African National Congress. They enjoyed a majority. They enjoyed the majority. That is why I'm telling you, they fought for the freedom of South Africa, African National Congress. Nelson Mandela, Winnie Mandela, right? They both are there. When Nelson Mandela was jailed and he was only 21, and when he came back from the jail, he was 47, right? So that is the answer. But and they fought for the they fought for the they fought for the African National Congress. Same way in India also, Congress dominated. So this is the art part, and let's see if I give you 1 minute, 2 minute time to. You prepare your questions. Conversation. Hello.
बेटा
बेटा
मेरी आवाज सुन
मेरी
पा
आवाज
रहे हो
सुन
आप?
पा रहे हो आप?
हेलो
हेलो
मुस्कान,
मुस्कान,
हेलो
हेलो
बेटा, किसी ने
बेटा
कुछ
किसी ने कुछ
पूछना है
पूछना है
तो आप पूछ
तो आप
सकते हो
पूछ
सर
सकते
से।
हो सर से।
कोई भी
कोई
डाउट हो
भी डाउट
आपका।
हो आपका। मुस्कान,
मुस्कान,
चली गई मुस्कान, वो चली गई, लीव कर गई मुझे।
कोई और है?
भूमि कर लो, भूमि को।
भूमि, भूमि.
No, sir.
Okay, no. Is clear? Is everything clear for you about the Communist Party and all?
Yes, sir.
And I told you about National Congress dominance. What was the difference between Indian Congress and the other Congress of the other world? How the Congress Party was dominating? And this is the page number 35, right? Have you got the book along with you? Hmm? Any inquiry about any question? No? Yeah, one. Beta, any inquiry? Huh? Janvi is there?
Yes, sir.
So why are you so mute? इतने mute क्यों हो? डरे हुए क्यों हो? मैं कुछ I'm asking some questions to you. What is it clear for you, बच्चे?
Yes, sir.
ओके बाय बाय। ठीक है, थैंक यू।